Good morning everybody, and welcome to this information all about phonics for parents. At Newlands Primary School we use Read Write Ink, and hopefully this short little PowerPoint will help you understand a little bit more about Read Write Ink. So what is phonics? Phonics is a method of teaching people to write by correlating sounds with symbols in an alphabetic writing system. And you can see below there are 3 posters. The first one on your left is where they are taught the single letter sounds. Then the middle one, that moves to set 2, where they're beginning to learn the long vowel sounds at the bottom, where you can see A, E, I, O, U, etc. And then on the far side you can see where it says complex sounds, where it shows you all the different ways for E and I and and Now then, so as I've said, at Newlands we use a program called Read Write Ink to teach your child to read. And you can see below there are some YouTube clips that I think will be helpful to you about explaining what is Read Write Ink, about understanding phonics, and really importantly how to say the sounds, because in Read Write Ink we all say them pure, and some are stretchy sounds and some are bouncy sounds, and you will see that as you watch the videos. Now, learning to read, we learn to read in order to read to learn. So we teach children to read by breaking down words into separate sounds. Phonemes are the sounds. And we teach children how to blend these phonemes together to read the word. And again, teaching your child to blend sounds together, if you watch that little clip, it will help you understand how we do this. And you can see on these blending sounds together on the blue chart, we use our picture cards, our individual letter card. You can see D, A, D, dad. You can see that. And we can say, oh, I want to write the word mad. Oh, what letter sounds will I need? I need ad. And then we put our finger under each sound and we go ad, mad. Okay. And then as children get more confident, you can see where it says come to the Fred table. They've got some green words and they've got dots underneath, and we encourage children to point and go sat, sat, and they run their finger under them. At the bottom, look, you can see that they've got the individual letter cards and they are making words using them letter cards. And at Newlands, every child has a daily phonics lesson, and children are encouraged to use their phonic knowledge and strategies to read and write in other contexts. So in English lessons, in topic lessons, all out through the day, they use their knowledge of phonics to help them write, read and write. And again, there's a little YouTube clip on daily phonics lessons. So, although there's only 26 letters in the alphabet, 21 consonants and 5 vowels, there are more than 150 graphemes that represent the 99 speech sounds, and the graphemes are the letters that make up the sounds. As you can see, the phoneme, that's the sound, it's the smallest unit of sound, and the grapheme is what we write to represent. So the phoneme sound ch, we use the graphemes k and h to write that. And you can see that in these that there are digraphs like digraphs are where 2 letters make one sound, like sh and ch. Whereas trigraphs are 3 letters one sound, like I, as you can see on the picture, hair, as in hair and chair, ire, as in fire and wire. Now then, you can help your child at home. Maybe you have a pack of flashcards, even if they're single letter sounds, but they are, and you can make up words, you can play I Spy, you can do we do lots of oral blending, and that's where spoken sounds merge together to make a spoken word, and we don't use text, we use our little Fred Frog puppet, and we go, sit down on the mat. Oh, last night I went to the shop. Oh, a dog on the log. Okay, so recognising phonemes in a written word, such as cup, and blending them in the order they are written. We call this Fred talk. As their confidence increases, we encourage children to Fred in their head. That means blending without sounding. And also, children need to be able to learn to read alien words. They're what we call alien words or nonsense words. They're made up of sounds already taught, but they don't mean anything. Your child will need to read these to show that they understand the phonics rules behind them. And I've shown you some examples, and they do it just like they do with the real words, like going j, at, jat, or v, oo, voo, or sh, or g, shog. Now then, I thank you for your time in watching this, and we would like you to take a few minutes to complete our feedback form on that link below. And we welcome any feedback you can provide for us so that we can improve our parental support. Thank you.